Hey everyone, today I'm going to present you screenpipe 2.3. This release we did a bunch of integrations such as Wisprflow, Limitless, Notion, Stripe, Apple Photo, and more. So if you go, for example, in the pipe store, you can see all the integrations here: OneDay.com, Stripe, Limitless, Appbot, GitHub, Complexity, and we improved a little bit some of the integrations. Some of the integrations you had to provide an API key, which is a bit technical, and so now it's some of the integration like Notion. Just click a button and it will connect with your Notion very easily. We added some pipes such as this Apple Photo. It will read all the pictures you are taking with your iPhone or everything stored on your Apple Photo and understand it and synchronize to your screenpipe data. We added a Wisprflow pipe, which is going to read your Wisprflow dictations and notes. Notes can include, like, when you, for example, I'm doing like voice journaling, something in Wisprflow when walking on the street with my phone, then it would synchronize it to screenpipe. So I did an Notion CRM, so it's going to, every time you have conversation with someone over a call or it could be chatting on Slack or something, it will maintain a CRM inside of Notion. Yeah. And this one is my favorite. I use like a variant of it, but it's going to remind you every like 30 minutes or 1 hour of tasks you were working on, and it's maintaining like a to-do list for you. And so it helps you not losing track of the. We also added a way to manage pipes across all your devices. And so here you see I have a Windows computer and a Mac Mini. So this one is not here, it's somewhere else in my city, but we are on the same network. To tail scale, you can do it through different ways, but right now you need to be on the same network. I recommend tail scale. It's connecting all your computer very easily, and then you can see them. You run screenpipe on them, and you can see them here. Control the pipes that run on these computers, so that you can run agents 24/7 that work for you on all your devices. So some of you wanted to be able to configure a recording schedule. So for example, you might not want to record what you are doing during weekend time. It could be like some personal stuff, or maybe the opposite, like you only want to record weekend time and not work stuff. I don't know, as you prefer. And so you can use this setting to control when it's recording every day. We also improved the memories. You have tags and the search bar. You can sort by time, by importance. Importance is going to be assigned by the AI model. Usually will not be assigned at all. But for example, the model can decide that such memory is more important than another. That's it. We also fixed a bunch of bugs, and we'd love to hear from what you need, any problems you're facing, any feature you want, and we'll do this for you. Thanks. Bye.